Hey guys, we're gonna get right into the video about how to replace a porch light or external light. So first, you gotta take the little knobs off to expose the screw, and it just comes right off, just like that. Going to unravel it, and then you might need to take off the wing brackets right here. I'm not sure if that's what it's called, but get that so you could take it off. It should be like 3 or 4 screws. 2 are holding them in, 2 are covering the screws that are holding it in. And then after you take that off, you get your neutral, your ground, and your live. Unravel those. Do this with the power off, so you don't have to worry about nothing touching anything. And this right here is the light. There's 4 screws, 2 on each side. That takes the back bracket off, or the back facing that you're gonna put on the electrical box. So unscrew those, and there you go. Then you see in the middle, you see the ground screw. And so the box should come with 2 screws that you'll put in your electrical box. Feed the neutral and the hot and the ground through the middle. That's what I prefer, so it can be dead center. And then get your screw in there. Tighten that down. Just clean it up a little bit. Then you get your front plate, and then you just color match hot with hot, neutral. Put the ground on the ground screw, and there you go. Then you put your 4 screws, 2 on each side, on to connect the front facing and the back facing. You might want to do it with a screwdriver, because you see the space I have. My screwdriver doesn't fit all the way in. So now we're gonna put like the outside plates on the frames. This is glass right here, and these all have tabs or wings that you just fold down, and it holds the glass in. So be very careful on this part. That's why I'm doing it over the styrofoam, just in case I drop it, it land on the styrofoam. But yeah, real easy, real simple. There's little slots that go in. Just put it in. Then you get the bigger one. Same thing. Adjust the wings, open the wings up, place it in there, fold the wings down or tabs down so it can hold the glass in place. And there's 3 of them. There's no top, there's no bottom. They're just on the front and 2 on the side. You put that on, and there's 2 nuts, 2 screws, one at the bottom, one at the top, that holds that one in. And there you go. Turn on the light. There you go. I'm gonna show you what the other one looks like, because I did 3 of them all together. But it's very simple. Anybody can do it. Probably the most important thing is make sure you work with the power off if you're a DIY or beginner. But make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you.